Exercise 2.3, Class 9, NCERT Polynomials, question number 3. Find the value of k if x minus 1 is the factor of p of x in each of the following polynomials. So in this question, they have given that x minus 1 is the factor of all these polynomials. So keeping that thing in mind, we have to find the value of k. So since, let me write the first question. First question, they have given p of x is equals to x square plus x plus k. This polynomial is our dividend, and they gave x minus 1 is the factor. So since x minus 1 is a factor, keep the factor equals to 0. Keep x minus 1 equals to 0, find the value of the variable from the factor and substitute that value in the given polynomial. 1 square plus 1 plus k equals to 0. So 1 square will be 1 plus 1 plus k equals to 0. So that means 2 plus k equals to 0. K value we got minus 2. Second part, p of x is equals to 2x square plus kx plus root 2. And we have to check, they have given x minus 1 is the factor. So x minus 1 is a factor. That means x value we have to substitute positive 1 in the given polynomial. So 2 1 square plus k1 plus root 2 equals to 0. 2 into 1 square is 2 plus k into 1 is k plus root 2 equals to 0. K is equals to minus 2 minus root 2. This positive 2 and positive root 2, there we have to shift on the right side and they will change their signs. So k equals to minus 2 minus root 2 is our answer. Third part, one more step we can write in this answer, like we can take minus sign common. So inside the bracket 2 plus root 2 will be left. Now the third part, p of x equals to kx square minus root 2x plus 1. So again x value we have to substitute 1 only. So p of 1 equals to k 1 square minus root 2 1 plus 1 equals to 0. K into 1 square is 1 minus root 2 into 1 root 2 plus 1 equals to 0. So k equals to positive root 2 negative 1, because we have to shift these two things on the right side. So after going to right side, they will change their signs. Negative 2 root 2 will change into positive root 2 and plus 1 will change into negative 1. So k value is root 2 minus 1 is our answer. Fourth part, p of x they have given kx square minus 3x plus k. Again we have to substitute 1 only. So k 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus k equals to 0. This will give you k minus 3 plus k equals to 0. K plus k if you add, you will get 2k minus 3 as it is. So 2k equals to, this minus 3 will go there and change into positive 3. K will be 3 by 2 is our answer. This question ends here. Then fourth question, they are giving factorize. In factorize, they have given the first question 12x square minus 7x plus 1. So since we can see the degree means highest power of the variable 2, so we can say it is quadratic polynomial. So how to factorize quadratic polynomial? We can use splitting the middle term. So how to do that? Constant term is 1 and coefficient of x square is 12. Okay, constant term is 1 and coefficient of x square is 12. So these two numbers along with the sign we have to multiply. Since they both are positive, so I took positive 12 multiplied by positive 1 equals to 12. So after multiplication these two numbers I got 12. Now I have to think of two numbers such that their product should be 12. Okay, two numbers, their product should be 12, but if I add or subtract them I should get minus 7, which is my middle term. So I will start with 1 only, so that you can understand in a better way. See, 1 into 12 will give you 12, but 12 minus 1 will not give you 7, so this is rejected. Now 2 into 6, 2 into 6 is 12 only, but 6 plus 2 is 8, and 6 minus 2 is 4, not so satisfying this minus 7, so this also cancelled. Now 3 4s are 12, 3 into 4 also 12, 3 plus 4 will give 7 also. So if I take both numbers negative, minus 3 minus 4, after adding I will get minus 7 only, that is only I required, minus 7 only I require in the middle term. And if I multiply minus 3 by minus 4 I will get positive 12, so that only I need, positive 12 only I need after multiplication. So the required numbers are minus 3 and minus 4. So I will split the middle term. Middle term, what is my middle term? Minus 7x. Instead of minus 7x I will write minus 3x instead of minus 7x I will write minus 3x minus 4x, and the last term plus 1 I will write as it is only. Now what is common here? Common here in the first two terms, what is common here? The highest common factor is 3 even x. These both terms are divisible by 3x. So 12 divided by 3 you will get 4, x square divided by x you will get x. Now go to the second term, which is your negative 3x. Negative 3x, when you divide by 3, this common 3x, you will get just 1 only. Now go to the last two terms. What is common here? It seems nothing is common. First take this sign as it is here, minus. Okay, if nothing is common means you can take 1 as common. So minus 1, if minus 1 common means the terms will be same, but minus sign if you are taking common means sign will change. So negative 4x will change into positive 4x, and plus 1 change into negative 1. So first factor we got, which is inside the bracket, 4x minus 1, and second factor we got, which is outside the bracket, 3x minus 1. These are the two factors of the given polynomial. Second question, they gave 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Again it is quadratic, we can use split in the middle term. So for that the constant term and coefficient of x square we will multiply along with the sign. So 2 positive, 3 positive, so if you multiply you will get positive 6. So now two numbers you have to search, their product should be plus 6 only, but if you plus or minus them you should get this plus 7. So start with 1. 1 into 6 will give you product 6 only, and 1 plus 6 will give you 7 also. So the required numbers we can use positive 1 and positive 6. So first number as it is, last number as it is, split the middle term, 7x into 1x plus 6x. Okay, so 1x means just x plus 6x you can write. Now what is the common in the first two terms? X variable is common. What is left inside the bracket? If this 2x square you divide by the common thing, what is left? 2 is left and 1x is left. Now the second term, if you divide x, second term is x, which you divide by this common term x, you will get positive 1 only. Go to the last two terms. First copy this sign here. Now what is common? What is common? What is common? Common is just 3. So take that common 3. 6x, this is 6x. When you divide by the common thing 3, you will get 2x only. Then plus this 3, the second term, okay, this 3, if you divide by the common thing 3, you will get plus 1 only. So the one of the factor we got 2x plus 1, which is inside the bracket. Second factor we got x plus 3, which is outside the bracket. These are our factors. Third part they have given 6x square plus 5x minus 6. So we have to multiply the last constant term with the coefficient of x square, which is also 6. So 6 into minus 6 will give you minus 36. Now you have to think two numbers, their product should be minus 36, but if you plus or minus them, you should get positive 5. So I'll start with 1 only for your understanding. So 1 into 36 will give you 36 only, but 36 minus 1 will not give you 5, so this is rejected. Now 2 into 18 will give you 36, but 36 minus 2 will not give you 5, so this is also rejected. Then 3 into 12 will give you 36. 12 minus 3 will not give, rejected. Then 4 9s are 36, and 36 9 minus 4 will give you 5. Right? So these two our required number are correct. 4 9s are 36 and 9 minus 4 will give you 5. Okay. So but now you have to take care of the signs. Since we have got here minus 36, now product should be minus 36. That means one of the numbers should be negative. And here it is positive, that means the bigger number is positive. So means 9 I will take positive and 4 I will take negative. So it will satisfy by both of the situations. If I multiply plus 9 with minus 4, I will get minus 36, that only required. And if I add plus 9 minus 4, I will get positive 5, that only I required as a middle term. So the required numbers are plus 9 and minus 4. Now first term as it is, last term as it is, that instead of plus 5x I can write plus 9x minus 4x. Now in the first two terms, what is the highest thing I can take common? 6 and 9, they both are coming in 3 table, they both are divisible by 3, so the number common will be 3, and even one variable x will be common. So what is left inside the bracket? 6x square, first term 6x square, if you divide by the common thing 6x, 6 divided by 3 2, x square divided by x is single x. Now go to the second term, which is your 9x, positive 9x, positive 9x, if you divide by 3x, number will be positive 3, 9 divided by 3 is 3, x got cancelled, so this got over. Now go to the last two terms, which is minus 4x and minus 6. So first you copy this sign here, minus sign. Now what is common here? 4x minus 4x, minus sign I took common. So 4x and 6, what is common number? They both are coming in 2 table, they both are divisible by 2, so 2 only common, x variable is not common. Okay, so start your bracket. So minus 4x when you divide by minus 2, okay, minus 4x when you divide by minus 2, which you took common, negative got cancelled, answer will give you 2x. Now minus 6 you have to divide by the common thing, which is your negative 2. So negative got cancelled, 2 3s are 6, means plus 3. So one of the factor is 2x plus 3 and another factor is 3x minus 2. Okay, this question got completed here. Next is fourth question. 3x square minus x minus 4. So the last constant term is minus 4, coefficient of x square is 3, so 3 into minus 4 will give you minus 12. Now you have to think of two numbers, the product should be minus 12, okay, this should be product, but if you plus or minus them, you should get minus 1. So first start with 1 only. 1 into 12 will give you 12, but 12 minus 1 will not give you 1. Then go to the 2 6 are 12, but 6 minus 2 again not 1, and 6 plus 2 is also 8, that is also not 1. So this also cross, this also cross. Come to 3 4s are 12, okay, so product we got 12 again, and 4 minus 3 we can get 1. So our two conditions can satisfy. Now look for the signs. Since the product is negative 12, means one number should be negative, okay, and here we are getting minus sign, minus x, okay, the middle term is minus x, this one minus, that means the bigger number will be minus. So 4 will be negative and 3 will be positive, okay. So we will write this term like that. First term copy as it is, last term copy as it is. Instead of middle term minus x, you can write a plus 3x minus 4x, plus 3x minus 4x. Now take common out of the first two terms. So both two terms have the highest common number is 3 and as well as x. So first term 3x square, if you divide by the common thing, only x is left, plus second term 3x this second term 3x, if you divide by 3x, only 1 is left. Now go to the last two terms. First you copy this negative sign here. Now last two terms, what is common? I can see 4 is common. So take 4 common. So minus 4x, that is the third term. When you divide by the common thing, what you will get? Minus 4 got cancelled, only x is left. Then go to the last term, minus 4. Minus 4, if you divide by the common thing, minus 4, positive 1 you will get, right? So these are our factors. So we can write one of the factor is x plus 1 and other factor is 3x minus 4. Our question completes here.